Hi, this is John with ATI, and as I like to keep my environments clean, so does my little puppy Noah. He loves to get a bath from time to time, and I love him when he smells better. So this is where this magic coat, conditioner, and shampoo comes into place. And let me tell you directly what I like the most about this shampoo and this conditioner is how great it smells. So it has this oats and cucumber smell that is just giving him a fresh smell. And it actually stays for a good time. So every time I'm going to give him a hug or I'm going to pet him, getting this smell, getting this scent is so much pleasing and it just smells awesome. And the fact that it stays on him for so long is actually great. The smell and the long lasting smell and obviously the compliments that he would get like, wow, he smells really good is awesome. So this was John with WTI and that was my point of view.